Welcome, guys, to episode 9 of how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Last episode, I showed you how we were doing the foundation of the elevator feet and the stair feet. And now we are installing the block all the way up to the tie-beams. After that, we're going to start forming and pulling the tie. Moving forward, as you can see here, we already erect the walls for the elevator and the stair pit. And now we are forming the slabs and the beams that are going to connect the two parts from the north to the south on the west side. And we're going to keep going this way to build the new building over here. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more upgrades on how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.